and I'm going to be a graduate of the 2010 class. One of the biggest things that I've gained from this program is an understanding of the business side of the ski industry rather than just the fun times. And it gives you a chance to really look at all of the different departments so that you can make a sort of informed career choice and see where you want to take yourself in your career. You walk away with amazing contacts. The teachers are great and they'll help you out whenever they can. And you learn really good life and study skills, and that's what I've taken away from this program.
What this program has given me is a variety of knowledge in all different aspects of the ski industry instead of focusing on one single department. It has set me up with numerous industry contacts that will help me get a job upon graduation. It has provided some insight for me into where the future of the ski industry is going and what I'm going to have to do as a potential manager to prepare myself for that.
Hello everyone, my name is Richard Wells. I'm one of the only students here at Selkirk Schromm program from Newfoundland, representing the East Coast. And I heard about this program through sitting in a groomer one day with my operations manager at beautiful Marble Mountain back in Newfoundland. And he pointed me in the direction of this program. And since then, it's opened up a lot of doors for me. I can see myself staying out west on this big mountain scene for a long time. Beautiful scenery, lots of good people. The course is amazing and it's right up my alley. So I'm looking forward to what the future is bringing. And long live Selkirk.
Coming to Nelson has been an amazing experience so far. I really love this city, and I think having Whitewater so close is an extremely valuable part of this program being in Nelson. I've been able to explore all the parts of our industry with this program, and I believe that in the long run it'll help me be a successful industry leader, giving me all the skills that I need to.
My name's Lee Richmond, and I love this program because you're really able to build a personal connection with your teachers. They always make themselves available one-on-one. It's really easy to visit them and get extra help, and I've found that a lot of the teachers have taken on sort of mentorship roles, and that's really helped me to get through my studies. Also, sharing classes as a group is really helpful because everybody's really on the same page and you're allowed to work on projects together and assignments, and it really puts emphasis on the group. Really from day one the class becomes like a big group of friends. You have such a focused program and it really brings in a lot of people with similar interests, so it's great to be able to learn in that environment where every individual is, you know, they have a unique ski and snowboard background that they're able to bring to the classroom. Another thing, Nelson is a really great place to live. There's lots of arts and culture. It's definitely a ski town. Skiing is a really big deal here. It's the only place I've ever been to where you walk downtown and there's, after it snows, there's signs on the doors of businesses that say "Gone Skiing."